Glory be to God. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. You didn't allow me to miss my office. Thank you. Thank you.
We are welcoming our rector back to the base, as I said earlier, and we want to thank the entourage for accompanying him back home. It's just a model office, not too expansively decorated, but as time goes on, we will add other things into the office. Please, you can sit down.
Yes.
Excuse us, please.
Thank you. You didn't allow me to miss my office, director's office. Yes. No, close it. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
So, Oga,
Yes.
you want to present the gift now.
Okay.
So you now stand up ahead. So we bring it. Sorry.
My wife is over posted. Maybe I should join the
It may look small, but it's a very vital personal equipment. It's a leveling equipment. You know that it's a remote control leveling. It can do from the floor up to the head. And it's a remotely controlled. So we know that after the service, you are a professional person. So it will help you a lot in your professional endeavor. So the Department of Architecture, they said they want to also make a small
Students, architecture, promise that order.
Thank you, the Dean, sir. We are standing this morning. We want to welcome you back safely to the faculty. Not like there's a Yoruba adage that used to say, Ekula no mountain. Today is not an architectural day show. Our day is coming. But we are also part of the environmental. And this is, we are the main host. And there's a need for us to join in celebrating. When I got the call, sir, to represent the HOD on Saturday evening, I received it with a mixed feeling. Mixed feeling with the sense that I felt that who am I to represent the HOD on an occasion like this? I remember vividly that a couple of years ago, before you were zoned the office as director, I personally had an encounter with you. And these are my own personal testimonies. Sir, we headed. We are proud of you for your achievements, how you have demonstrated consistent strength of character in your leadership. You have been able to show to the whole world that architecture indeed is a very tedious discipline. That anyone, for that matter, that has the privilege to study such course will be exceptional in any field of endeavor. You have demonstrated that in administration, research, infrastructure, everything, good human relationship. We are proud of you. And as a matter of fact, you are giving us a level ahead of our colleagues. If you move on campus now, there's a respect that is added to all architects that they are reasonable human beings. And this we appreciate. Till we meet at the department, sir. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Back in the department. Please, one of your students, we want to welcome you back home. Just a minute.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, indeed, you're a visitor, sir. Anywhere your name is being mentioned, the high regard is being accustomed much more to your name. You know, wherever architects have been mentioned, like Samuel, your rector, is really a good man, sir. And on behalf of the architectural students of the Sola Abiala Fi Orin, I want to welcome the highly esteemed architect Alukoro back to office, sir. You are welcome, sir.
Yeah. I will not waste time. I want to thank every one of you. I'm back home.
Yes, sir.
Welcome home, sir. Yeah, and I'm back home with more ideas.
Yes, we
That
trust
will
you.
push the school forward.
We trust you.
That will move the department forward.
We trust you.
So you can rely on me
Yeah.
for any of your advice, and you should know that I will be there for you.
Yeah.
We will still have time to talk together. I'm back, and I'm thanking God that I did not disappoint the school. I did not disappoint the department, and I did not disappoint my generation.
Thank you.
Because I know my generation have had their own time as
You have
well.
represented us very
I have
well.
represented you very well, and I appreciate you God. So my students, I have come back, and definitely you are going to benefit from my wealth of experience. God will help us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, you are welcome. I don't know how to sing this song in English, but we must welcome you. Kaabo, 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 Kaabo. Ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, kílẹ̀ lanu káàbọ̀. Olúṣẹ́gun káàbọ̀, Ọlárẹ̀wájú káàbọ̀, ọmọ Àlùkò káàbọ̀, aya ẹ̀kún lọ́mọ káàbọ̀, ọkọ ẹ̀kún lọ́mọ. Ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, ọmọ abílẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, kílẹ̀ lanu káàbọ̀. Thank you very much. I was told some contractors are represented. I don't know how they managed to come in. And once not there to come in.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Like you.
Ṣé mo àwọn ló kọ́lé, àwọn ló bá tilẹ̀kùn, Ọlọ́run ló mọ ibi tó ń gbà wọlé.
Thank you very much. I see your quite. Please, we can go out.